Hello, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video going to be really interesting. Today in this video I am gonna show 5 best minimalist launcher of 2021. This launcher are free and very light you. If you're looking for a good launcher for your Android, then you can try out this launcher. Let's start the video. Number 5 is XOS Launcher. XOS Launcher is highly customizable, smart, beauty, and so cool. Asterisk feed on zero screen, get trending news and games. Asterisk smart scene discover. Hit songs intelligently and push regularly. Asterisk discovery featured wallpapers. And top games for your day. Asterisk rolling effects, click to get the scrolling effect of various icons. More interesting functions, one-click font preview and freezer and theme. To be continued. About XOS Launcher. XOS is an Infinix project brought to you. Number 4 is Niagara Launcher. The traditional home screen we know was made more than a decade ago, where phone screens were smaller than your credit card. Smartphones keep growing, but not your fingers. The minimalist Niagara Launcher makes everything accessible with one hand and lets you focus on what matters. Top reasons to use Niagara Launcher. Access everything with one hand no matter how big your phone is. Niagara Launcher's list can adapt to your needs. Efficiently reach every app without even having to open an app drawer. Niagara Launcher free version is also completely ad-free. The home screen app runs smoothly on all phones. With just a few megabytes in size, no space is wasted. Number 3 is Smart Launcher. Smart Launcher provides a new Android experience focused on efficiency and customization. A new simple home screen showing what matters. All your apps sorted into categories. Everything you need to perform your daily tasks faster and easier. It's best Android launcher 2020 IB Play Store. What's in Smart Launcher? Smart Launcher is completely customizable. You can now modify every single color of Smart Launcher theme, unlocking infinite possibilities of color combination. Change fonts on the home screen, choosing among thousands of fonts from Google Fonts. Smart Launcher automatically changes the theme colors to match your wallpaper. The Smart Launcher search bar allows to quickly find contacts and apps, or to perform actions like searching on the web, adding a contact, or performing a calculation. Number 2 is Microsoft Launcher. Microsoft Launcher provides a new home screen experience that empowers you to be more productive on your Android device. Microsoft Launcher is highly customizable, allowing you to organize everything on your phone. Your personalized feed makes it easy to view your calendar, to-do lists, and more. Sticky notes on the go. When you set up Microsoft Launcher as your new home screen, you can either start fresh with your favorite apps or import your current home screen layout. Need to switch back to your previous home screen? You can do that too. Microsoft Launcher features customizable icons, give your phone a consistent look and feel with custom icon packs and adaptive icons. Beautiful wallpapers, enjoy a fresh new image from Bing every day or choose your own photos. Dark theme, comfortably use your phone at night or in low light environments with Microsoft Launcher's new dark theme. This feature is compatible with Android's dark mode settings. Improved performance, Microsoft Launcher now loads faster, uses less memory, is more battery efficient, and offers fluent animation. Number 1 is Hyperion Launcher. Hyperion Launcher is an app launcher created by the team behind Substratum. This is a really interesting launcher that gathers the best aspects of launchers such as Pixel Launcher or Nova Launcher and provides innovative elements to create a new experience. The first thing that stands out in Hyperion Launcher is that it allows you to customize the look. This launcher lets you modify the look of the desktop, the dock of the apps, animations, icons, and even the colors of the interface. You can even modify the color of most of the elements of the UI. This launcher has a ton of features that'll make it easier for you to use your smartphone. Adaptive icons with quick access, opening of the app drawer with a vertical gesture, direct access to Google's Assistant from the upper search bar, a ton of possibilities that you can discover in its large option menu. Hyperion Launcher is an excellent app launcher that invites you to configure it however you want. The majority of the features are free, although you have to pay for some of them. Download link in description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like this video.